Count your days. Count your days, Footlocker. Count your mother. All right, so dig, man. I made a whole video, but this month, you know what? I can't be doing that. This YouTube, I can't cuss like that.
Let me get it done.
All right, so boom, man. Footlocker was supposed to have this big, crazy Jordan restock today. They announced it yesterday, 7:31, 10 a.m., Jordan restock, all kind of crazy joints on there, including the black metallic 5s, only for us to get to July 31st at 10 a.m. and see nothing. Nothing whatsoever.
Man, what the fuck, man?
Now, initially when I saw this report, it was just Ferrari 14s. A few minutes later, I saw that it was Ferrari 14s, cool gray 9s, another restock on white cement 4s. It was a couple joints on there. I honestly don't see why they had the UNC Reimagine on there. Those are still in the store. What are you restocking those for? Everybody, them ain't went nowhere. And so, damn, hitting a bumpity bump da-dums. So they had all these joints on the list. Come to find out that last night around 10:30-ish, 10:40, they decided to cancel the restock. Not completely though. They didn't cancel it completely. Only for the US. Only for us. Yeah, literally us, the US. Canada still got their restock. Shout out to Canada for still getting their restock. I ain't mad at them. They ain't do it. But Footlocker, count your days, man. And what y'all did this morning was insane. Unacceptable. Hit me up in the comment section, man. Let me know. Were you looking to grab any of these sneakers off of this restock list? If so, what were you trying to grab? And how did you feel? How did it make you feel when you got on the Footlocker app or on the Footlocker website at 10 a.m. and saw that none of that shit dropped? None of it. No explanation. Nobody knows why. It's just they didn't do it. So, I mean, maybe we'll see a restock later on. Who knows? As of now, we get nothing from Footlocker. Restocks can go one or two ways. It could be a good thing. It could be a bad thing. But you won't know. You won't know at all if they don't do the restock like they said they was gonna do. Yeah, kind of disappointing, man. Because once I saw that report, I was actually really looking forward to getting my hands on metallic 5s. Even though I know it was gonna be a task, I feel like I was gonna get lucky and hit today. But unfortunately, no one got lucky today with Footlocker's drop. Another announcement that kind of pissed me off, Stashed Sneakers. They are also doing a massive restock on August the 8th. Man, I was excited about this too until I kept reading and saw that it's another restock that's not for the US. So we're getting these restocks, man, right now, and none of them are for the US. Of course, you know, this is Stashed Sneakers. You may not know, most people know, but you may not know. This is Stashed Sneakers, their own version of Sneakers Day that they're having. You know, they talking big game like, oh, Nike sneakers is trash, so we coming to do this for y'all, and the whole time it ain't even for the US. So yeah, that drop is only gonna be EU and UK. Now I was surfing comments, I did see somebody say, like, can't remember exactly what they said, so I'm paraphrasing. I ain't looking out for the US. And whoever's running the page for Stashed Sneakers, they claim that, okay, get the fuck out the way. Whoever's running the page for Stashed Sneakers, they claim that something is coming for the US. I believe it when I see it. For now, that's where we at, man. We got Footlocker flaking on us, and we got Stashed Sneakers only looking out for EU, UK. I guess it is what it is, right? So our best bet in regard to this is just get ready for Saturday, man. Just get ready for Saturday. If you trying to go for the Steel 10s, make sure you're up and at them. It is a release that may not sell out, but it also is a release that could bring out the OGs like myself. So be prepared. I did enter a raffle for undefeateds. I know I said that I ain't really on them. They not on my radar like that, but it is a shoe that I could use for, again, trade bait. Might even can flip them. I'm not a reseller. I'm not, by no means am I a reseller, but I could resell those Who knows, man? Maybe the pitches just ain't been doing them no justice for me all these years. Maybe I'll hit and I'll get them in hand and be like, damn, these are fire. I'm holding on to these. Or maybe I just won't hit. I'm not expecting to hit on this raffle at all. A lot of time when I see a shoe and there's like no retail locations you can get it from, I don't even try because I already know how the game go. I know the bots be going mad crazy. All these sites acting like they got all this bot protection, even Nike, when in reality, they damn near are the bots. I ain't gonna lie, I kind of feel like Nike own bots and the resale sites. And I could be wrong, but that's how I feel, you know what I'm saying? Your boy finna get up out of here. I'll be back tomorrow to talk about some things, and then after that, we'll be back Monday to, discuss what happened over the weekend. And yeah, I'm gonna finish running my little errands, and then I'm gonna get back on in the house. Other than that, peace, love, I'm gone. Man, I made a whole video, and for whatever reason, the audio just did not record. So it's a long video of me just talking, but saying nothing whatsoever. That's neither here nor there. I'm already pissed off, and that just made me even more mad. How dare you gas us up for this restock? Come on, man. What we doing, bro? What are we doing?
Let me get it dough.
Hey, slap a bitch nigga like Annie, are you okay? Blood on my glove, goddamn it, are you OJ? 2-way, 4-way,